Juicy king prawns meet soft, steamed bao in a bold Thai-inspired bite. A colourful, modern twist on classic Asian flavours. Start by preheating your oven. Now chop the potatoes into chunky wedges. No need to peel. Toss them with olive oil, season, and add the fragrant Thai spice blend until every piece is beautifully coated. Spread them out on a baking tray and roast until golden and crispy. Meanwhile, thinly slice the radishes and pop them into a bowl with sugar. Then zest the lime and keep the zest aside. Halve the lime and squeeze 1/2 in the radishes. Mix well and set aside for later. In another bowl, mix the mayonnaise with the lime zest and season. This zesty mayo will be your bao bun spread. For the salad dressing, squeeze the remaining lime juice in a bowl. Mix together with olive oil and sugar. Halve the avocado. Scoop out the flesh and chop into thick pieces. Toss the avocado in a bowl and add the dressing to prevent browning and add flavour. Roughly chop the coriander, stalks and all, for maximum flavour. Then chop the peanuts for added texture and set both aside. Heat oil in a large frying pan and add the prawns. Cook until the prawns turn pink and opaque. That's your cue, they're perfectly done. Then add the red Thai paste and honey. While the prawns sizzle, sprinkle the bao buns with water and warm them in the microwave until they're soft and fluffy. Combine most of the pickled radishes, coriander and crushed peanuts with the dressed avocado. Spread the zesty mayo inside each warm bao bun. Fill with the glazed prawns and top with the remaining radishes and coriander. Serve alongside the crispy spiced wedges and fresh avocado salad. A vibrant meal that brings restaurant flavours straight to your table. Like, share and hit the subscribe button for more flavourful recipes.